pursuing a career in logistics, high school diploma or GED is definitely required for most companies. Associate degree, a bachelor degree, and a master's degree. As your degrees increase, more often than not, your salary level will increase or your opportunities will increase. That's not to say if you have a high school degree, you don't have the opportunities presented to you like that of a person with a master's degree. However, depending on that company's selection process, chances are that will be in alignment with the degrees that you have earned. So just wanted to share that with you, especially as you look at the career opportunities within logistics. Some of the preferable skills that are required, communication is definitely important. And when it comes to your verbal and your written skills, different opportunities are presented related to that. But if you cannot read or write, that can impact you in terms of your career journey. We rely a lot on visibility tools. We rely a lot on email, and then obviously verbal skills are critically important. Mathematics, I explained in some degree or another when it came to inventory, how math is important, but also my career journey, I explained how math was critically important when having to analyze many of my customers' transportation modeling and then being able to influence how we can bring some savings to them. Related to optimizing their transportation activities from shifting from air freight to ocean